Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain you about degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives or degrees of comparison. Before this, we have to know what's the meaning of the adjective or what is an adjective. Adjective is a part of speech, which means a word which describes noun or pronoun, and it gives a additional information about a noun or a pronoun. The word which gives more information about a noun or pronoun is known as adjective. I have a detailed video in my channel about adjectives and its kinds. If you want to go and check it there. Examples of adjectives are she is a intelligent student. Here intelligent is a adjective. It gives more information about she. She is a pronoun, noun is a intelligent is a adjective, she is a pronoun. He is a short boy. Short is a adjective, he is a pronoun. Rahul is a noun, tallest is a adjective. Riya is a caring mother. Caring is a adjective, Riya is noun. That book, that is a pronoun, and good is a adjective. These are the words like intelligent, short, tallest, caring. Adjectives gives more information about noun and the pronoun. These are the examples of the adjectives. Next, we are going to know about the degrees of adjectives or degrees of comparison. The degrees of adjective expresses the intensity or level of the adjectives in a sentence. It expresses or it compares the levels of the adjective words in a sentence. There are three types of degrees in adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These are the three types of degrees of comparison or degrees of adjectives. Next, one by one I explain you these three types of adjectives. First one is positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object or one person or a place without making any comparison. We are just saying the positive word of the noun or pronoun. We are not compare here with the any other person, place, or a thing. Suppose Ramu is a tall boy. We just say it is a positive adjective. Next, Sheila is a good girl. Sheila is a noun. This good is a adjective. We just say or express the refer to object, person. Okay, this is a Sheila is a noun. Good is a adjective. This is a adjective. We just use the positive words here. We are not compare anyone with anything. Roshini is a beautiful girl. The word beautiful is also a. These three are the positive words: tall, big, small, beautiful, clever. We are just say the positive word here. We are not compare with any one. This is the positive degree. The next one is the comparative degree. The comparative degree of adjective refers to compare the positive degree. Here we have the compare to the positive degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. Comparative degree is a greater degree than positive degree. When compared to it, it is a great, because we are comparing here from the positive degree. It is used to compare two persons. Comparative degree is used to compare two persons, two objects or the places. Here I am giving the same example. Rahul is taller than Shamu. Here we are using the word taller. Taller. Here in the first sentence what we are using? Tall. Because we said only positive. Only one person is here. Here we have two persons, Ramu and Shamu. So we said Ramu is taller than Shamu. We compare Ramu with the Shamu. So we are using the word taller. This is the comparative word. Then taller than Shamu. We are compare here the positive adjective. Sheila is better than Rinku. Sheila is better than Rinku. Here we are what we are saying in the first positive one. Good, good, better. In the positive the word is good. In the comparative it is better than Rinku, because we are comparing Sheila with Rinku. In the first sentence we compare Ramu with Shamu. In second sentence we compare Sheila with Rinku. And the third one also, Roshni is more beautiful than Tina. Here we are comparing Tina with Roshni or Roshni with Tina. Here we are using the word more beautiful than Tina. The words like taller than, we are using the word then in the comparative sentence. We are using the word then in this type of degree. This is about the positive degree and the comparative degree. In the first rule is, in the positive sentence we did not compare anyone, because here we have only one object or the one person. When we come to the comparative degree, here we are compare one person with the another person. That's why we are using the word taller than. Then we are used to compare one with the other. And the third type of degree is a superlative degree. Superlative degree is a greatest degree than the comparative degrees of adjective. It is one of the greatest degree of the adjectives. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. In the first one we did not compare anyone because we are using the single object for the positive degree. For the second one we are compare the two persons or the two places. Here in the third one, superlative degree, it is a greatest. That's why we are used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Examples of superlative degrees are: Ramu is a tallest boy in the class. Who is Ramu? Is a tallest boy in the class. We are comparing here with the whole class. We are not comparing two persons here. Here compare with the whole class. That's why he is one of the tallest boy. He is a superlative degree. This is a superlative degree of the adjective. Sheila is a best student. Good, better and best student in the school. In the whole school she is a best student. Roshni is a most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, and here most beautiful girl in the family. These are the examples of the superlative degrees. The words here, mostly the words here ends with the est words, or most or more. Here we have some rules for changing the degrees of adjective or comparing the degrees. So for example, we add er and est to most of one or two syllable words which ends with the consonants. If the word is end with the consonant, the positive word is end with the consonant, we have to add er for comparative, est for the superlative degree. I give some examples here. Dull. Here the word ends with the consonants. That's why we are using duller, dullest. Y. Y is a consonant word. That's why luckier, luckiest. Small. L is a consonant word. Smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Here first rule is a we add er or est for the words which are ends with the consonants. Next one, this is the second rule. We have the if the positive word ends in e vowel letter, then we add only r or st. We are not using again er or est in this type of adjective words. Suppose large. Large is what ends with the vowel letter. That's why we are just adding r here. And here st. Again we are not using er or est. Brave, braver, bravest. Just adding e and r and est only. We are not using the again. We are not using e because already here we have the vowel word. Wise, wiser, wisest. Noble, nobler, noblest. This is a second rule. First one is a consonant letter. If you have the where ends with the er and est. If we have in ends the word ends with the positive vowel, positive word ends with the vowel e, that time we are using the word r and the st. Okay. And the next rule is if the positive word ends with the consonant plus y, consonant word plus y, at that time we are using the word ier and iesc. The word is ends with the, suppose k is a consonant, y is a, we are adding plus y. Luckier, that's why we are using luckier. Lucky, consonant plus y. Here we are using the word ier. Luckier and luckiest. Easy, easier, ier we are adding here instead of y. We are adding ier and iest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. This is about the third rule. First rule, positive word ends with the consonants, that time we are using er, est. Next, if the word ends with the vowel e, at that time we are using only r and st. If the word positive word ends with the consonant plus y, at that time we are using the word ier. Instead of y, we are using the word ier. We cut the r, we drop the y here and add ier in the third rule. And the fourth one is here, if the positive word ends with the one word, that is end with a vowel plus consonant. If we have both the word at the end of vowel and the consonant, at that time we end the word with the er and est. We are ending with the consonant and add the same consonant we are adding by add er. Some example, here vowel and the consonant. Here e is a vowel, d is a consonant. Here again we are using the another d, another consonant we are using, and then we are add the er. Red, redder, reddest. Fat, fatter. Here also we are using the two consonants for the word which is ends with the vowel and the consonant. Fattest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Two times we are writing the same consonant which is ends with the, which are ends in the positive word, because this is ends with the vowel word in the here we have the vowel word e, a, I, o, I. Here we have the vowel word, and again we have the consonant here. At that time we here der, another one we consonant we are adding, and we write red, redder, reddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Okay. And the next rule is when the positive is a word of two or more syllables. Here example, this is use is one syllable and this is the second syllable. Here we have the one or more syllables. We add most before the adjectives to form a comparative and the superlative. More and most we are using when we have the one syllable or two syllables. Suppose useful, more useful and most useful, more and the most. Here comparing, here superlative, difficult, more difficult and the most difficult, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful, courageous, more courageous and most courageous. Okay, another one rule we have, and the another rule is if the word adjectives that do not form the comparatives and the superlatives from their positives, we does not, we are not comparing the word positive with the superlative and the comparative. Suppose good, we are not using the same word here. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Less, little, less and the least. These are the examples of the super degrees of comparison. This is a full explanation of the degrees of adjective. Okay ma, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.